Hello viewers, welcome back to another video. So in this video I will show how can you make a website without knowing coding or HTML. So first of all you have to search on Google ChatGPT. After that the first website introducing ChatGPT OpenAI. So click here and open this website, and here try ChatGPT. Click here. After clicking here, an interface will become. Now you have to click here new chat, and here come here and type here give me HTML code for website. So after that click to enter and the code will be generating. Wait few moment. So here you can see here says simple HTML code for basic website structure. So wait few seconds. Here a new code is generating. HTML head, body, section, main header, footer. So wait few moment. Here we can see the HTML code has been generated. So if we want more attractive, so simply right here more attractive. Now click to enter. After clicking to enter button, here a new code will be generated. So wait few seconds for generating. It's almost done. Wait few seconds more. Here we can see this the new coding, CSS coding. This is so easier, guys. Wait few more seconds. It's almost done. Wait few more seconds. So here we can see the HTML code generating has been done. So if you want to make a website, you have to click from here. Here you can see copy code. You have to just click this copy and paste to your website. Then you can make a website so much easily. So here is the first part of this video. So in the next video I will show how can you run this code on your website. So everyone subscribe my channel. If you like this video, please like the video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for joining with us.